Hey, what's up guys? This is Young from Dream Design Construction. We're at another job site. Let's go take a look what's inside. So here we did an actual addition. We enlarged the kitchen area and then we also enlarged the master bedroom, and we're actually remodeling the whole existing floor. Let's see what we got here. This was a living room here before. There was a very small kitchen here, and then there was actually a wall here. So we removed the wall here, added a new beam, and we actually did an addition for the living room here. Made a new kitchen, made a large living room here. We're gonna be doing a fireplace here with the stones. We're actually in the final stage. The paint is pretty much done. We have a lot of touch up to do, but countertop just got put in. We have the gray two-tone island, gray island with a white shaker style. We have this is gonna be the mudroom here. This is gonna be the master bedroom closet, walk-in closet here. This is the bathroom that we built. It's actually under construction right now. You come take a look. It's gonna be a soak-in tub, a freestanding tub. There's gonna be walk-in shower, single vanity, toilet here, and I believe I need to look at the blueprint. I think this is the master bedroom with the. I believe it's. Man, I'm totally lost. I haven't been here for a while. So yeah, I'm just looking at the blueprint here. That's gonna be the master bathroom. That's a part of the addition. Here we have a small exercise room right here. This is gonna be a walk-in closet. And this will be the bedroom right here for the master bedroom. This was the existing part of the house. Existing part of the house here, 2 bedrooms here. But of course we did all the drywalls, insulation. We upgraded all the doors and trims to do 2-panel doors, the simple shaker style trims. New paint here, same thing, new baseboards. This is a hallway bathroom here we redid. So similar to this electrical panel, we just did a cabinet to hide the electrical panel here to kind of look, you know, a little bit more finished versus having an exposed panel outside. But this is final stage. From here, we'll probably take about 3 to 4 weeks and we'll be out of here and customer can have a beautiful home. For this job, this could range anywhere from 200, 250. It could go up to 350. It really depending on scope of work. Like I said, depending on your house, depending on the situation, permits, inspections, it's all gonna vary. But in average, yeah, I would say about 4 to 6 months. Yeah, for this house, we actually, you know, did the inside of the house, but also we actually redid all the windows, siding, gutters, roofing. We did a little small porch area here. And then we did a siding with like scallop for an accent for the gable. So this section right here will be the addition that we did. Where the gable ends right there, from here, this is like the addition right there, what we did. And we're gonna be doing a concrete, stamped concrete in the backyard once everything is done. So customer does not have to be present during construction. This particular customer actually got rented a house right in front. So they're actually staying in front of their existing house, renting it out. But yeah, you don't have to live, you don't have to be present. But if you wanna communicate, you can communicate through our system called Buildertrend, email, text message, you know, we're here to help. So, I mean, if you're looking to remodel, just make sure, you know, you have a nice design team, just get a good set of plans. Make sure you have everything laid out, what you like, and, you know, go from there. You know, but having a good floor plan, good ideas, making sure, you know, you put everything that you want in the design in the first time is gonna eliminate a lot of mistakes, or it's gonna save a lot of time and cost getting it right done the first time. Hey guys, if you're looking to do any projects similar to this, renovation, additions, just give us a call, leave a comment below, and look at the descriptions below.